Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of rotate on the application of Calm app. You will go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Calm app and you can click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we click on Play Store. You will search about the application of Calm. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. Sorry. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.